the Senate must always remain independent. And due to my strict adherence of the Senate remaining independent, maybe that could be the cause of my demise. Sabi ko nga nung sa hearing ni Senator Bato de la Rosa, marami nagalit sa akin sa dalawang panig dahil nga ako po yung naging patas sa dalawang panig at siguro maraming nagalit sa akin dahil dyan. Pero ginawa ko lang pong tungkulin ko bilang Senate President, which is to always keep the committee system strong and independent from any outside forces to dictate what should or should not be tackled in the committee system. So, I'm sorry if may mga ruffled feathers at may nagalit sa akin, pero ganun talaga ako. You may call me a Boy Scout, but I'm happy to oblige all the other members of the Senate that have passed before us. The likes of Joco Arroyo, Miriam Defensor Santiago, of course, those who also already retired, like Senator Frank Dillon, Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, kung saan talagang stickler for rules of the Senate, independence of the Senate, that the Senate remains the last bastion of democracy in our country. So I pray and hope that our dear Senate President Escudero, will uphold these ideals of the Senate that we've fought for many generations. I'd like to also congratulate Senate President Francis Escudero for his ascension to the Senate presidency. We will take a critical collaboration when it comes to measures that are needed by our country. So, as I said earlier, I had resigned as my post for Senate President. I am an independent member of the Senate now. Mas maganda po yan para mananatili po tayo independente at mananatili po tayong patas sa lahat ng grupo.